Hi there, I'm Dana. I'm the owner and designer of Peacock and Fig. In this class, you'll learn how to create this pretty astrological hoop project. The skills you'll learn in this class not only will introduce you to some new embroidery stitches, but you might even learn a little bit about your astrological chart. If you're new to embroidery, I'd recommend taking the Hand Embroidery Fundamentals class first. In this class, you'll learn what materials you need, how to access your own astrological chart, and how to use some of the information on it to make your own personalized hoop project, as well as embroidery stitches such as backstitch, the double-threaded backstitch, the star cross stitch, and the Algerian eye stitch. So what are you waiting for? Let's jump on in and let's get started!